Hello viewers, today in this video I am going to show you how to fix Telegram SMS code SMS free problem. Okay, let's go see your problem. This is problem. Okay, go solve your problem. At first tap on settings. Scroll down little bit. Now tap on apps. Tap on apps management. Tap on search and write here Telegram. Tap on Telegram. Scroll down again. You can see storage. Tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache. And then tap on clear data. After tap on clear cache and clear data, go back one step. Now tap on permission manager. You can see many options. All options must be allowed. After allow all option, go back your home screen. And then tap on Play Store application. Tap on search icon. And write here Telegram. Tap on Telegram. Update your Telegram application. Now try to open Telegram account. And then tap on Start Messaging. Select your country code. And enter your phone number. Tap on this icon. Tap on Yes. Then tap on Continue. Check your Gmail and tap on code number. You can see hopefully solve your problem. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.